Hello, if you are a data analyst, professional, or business analyst, Excel has a secret tool that can pull real time financial, company, and economic data directly into your spreadsheet without coding. You can get stock and geographic data in Excel. It's as easy as typing text into a cell and converting it to a stocks data type or the geography data type. In today's video, we are picking up from where we left off in our previous session on stock and geographic data in Excel. If you haven't seen that part one yet, I highly recommend you watch that first for a better understanding before proceeding with this video. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. My name is Lucky, but you can call me Allison. So, in part one of this video, we looked at stock and geographic data in Excel with a case study of economic research and country data analysis. But in today's video, we'll be looking at Excel financial data analysis in stock market and investment part 2. So let's go straight to the lab and do a hands-on demo. Thank you. Okay, so
Hello.
I've got some tentative um, company names here which we'll be working with. Okay. Okay, so the next stage would be we have our variables already, okay, which is this one, and we've got our title, okay. We've got our title. Let me put this real quick. Increase the size, okay, and maybe we can also increase this one as well. What we're doing now is just customizing, okay. So it depends on how you choose to customize your data sheet, okay. Center align, there you go. And for this we can just put some borders and give it some colors, okay. We could also can decide to make it black. No, white is better, okay. Good. Okay, so the next thing will be for us to pull up these variables. We need to call up the data, okay. So like we said, you don't need to go to any website or any application to get the real-time data for this analysis, okay. So we've got all of them from Microsoft. So the next will be for you to highlight the companies that we have here. Once you highlight, the next will be you click on data, okay. And once you click on data, you come here to pick your data type. Remember in our first video what we used was geography, but this time we're working with companies, so we'll pick stock. So click on stock and wait a little bit. There you go. So we have succeeded in pulling the various company details. So Tesla, we don't have it, so you just check on your right hand side. If you have it here, yeah, we're happy to go with this one. Or which of the Tesla are we trying to call up? Okay, we'll go with this one, okay, or this one, okay. So this one we also call up this one, JP Morgan. Okay, we don't have data for JP Morgan at the moment, okay. So bear with me, let's just remove JP Morgan, okay. Yeah, okay, so that's the first stage. We have succeeded in pulling the complete information of this company uh, names, okay. Now the next step will be for us to retrieve the stock prices of this company. So the first thing you do is you click on the name of the first company, and this little icon here, you click on it and pick your first uh, choice. And we said stock price. Okay, so we look out for the stock price from our drop down. Okay, oh, there you go. Now we have the stock price. We pull this down to populate the orders. Okay, so it means as at the time of preparing this video, this was the current stock prices of all of this company stocks. Okay, so the next step will be for us to pull up the market capitalization of each of these companies. So as usual, you click on the first company, click the drop down, and you pick, you look out for market cap. Okay, there you go. And as usual, we can pull it down autofill. There you go. So we head straight to 52 week high. Okay, you click on this again, you click, you look for 52 high. Here we go. Yeah, so let's just continue in that pace. We look out for 52 low. Okay, 52 low. There you go. We look out for the change between 52 week high and 52 week low. Okay, we look at for the change. That's the change. We also get a percentage change as well. Percentage change. Now let's look out for, let's retrieve data regarding employee strength of each of the companies. Okay, so we just look for employees. There you go. We'll look for headquarters. Where are they situated? Okay, boom, there you go. We have companies headquarters, where they are located. Okay, and the next thing will be for us to retrieve industry. What industry are they? Health industry, finance, oil and gas, or defense. Okay, so let's autofill each of these data. So you agree with me, we're making progress on retrieving company data that will enable us to comparison. Yeah, we're almost done making progress. There you go. So we can see from our analysis companies and their various industries. Okay, so we have software and IT services, we have computers, phones, and household equipment. We also have automobile and auto parts, and all of that. We also have oil and gas as well. Okay, so that is it. We have succeeded in pulling real-time data from Excel rather than going elsewhere to look out for, to search for your data, which may take you time to retrieve. Okay, so we can just quickly format our table. Okay, real quick. Like this is optional. Okay, so this is it from me. And if we take a deep dive, you can discover that from employee standpoint, we have Walmart employing about 2,100,000 staff. Okay, closely followed by Amazon and all of that. Okay, so we can also see a percentage change in terms of stock prices between the week 52. Okay, so these are some of the analysis you can use for your project or your research, as the case may be. So also have it in mind that this is not all you can retrieve. We're just retrieving all of this for analytical purpose. Okay, so you don't need to pull up this data whenever you need them. All you need to, you just refresh, and to refresh this data, to get the current data at the time you are refreshing, you just come back to your data, click on data, click on refresh. Okay, and when we click refresh, you will see what will happen to all of these icons. Okay, so let's hit our refresh button. There you go, completed successfully. Okay, so that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video.